Hey guys, Tim here. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been filming a lot of video. Actually had 3 videos filmed to create for you guys. The SD card that I had all that memory stored on was corrupted, so I lost it. I lost the header install. I lost the Cook's header event meet, and I also lost like a vlog that I was doing about some redoing the plasti dip the wheels. I was kind of upset about it. I didn't know if I wanted to continue because I put a lot of work into getting all those videos, and I stored them I moved them onto an SD card. What we're going to do today is I'm just going to do a review of the XS Power headers and X pipe. Now these headers are I got them used. So they was not brand new. I don't know how old they are. I don't know which design they are. I know that it wasn't that bad of an install. It's a typical header install with tight spaces. So what do I recommend buying before you install the headers? Spark plugs, spark plug wires. Because if you're like me, my friends, we tore 2 of them, pulling them out, and header gaskets. Now, hopefully you don't have the problem I had. Usually when you buy a new set of headers, it comes with the gaskets. I had to go through so much trouble to get a set of header gaskets for this car. O'Reilly's, Advance, Napa, AutoZone. The ones that I did get was Advance, and it was like 2 minutes from my house, go figure. And I got them Sunday morning at 9:30, and we started installing this thing at 10 o'clock. So fantastic that Advance got them for me. Advance did not pay me for any of this, but I'm gonna tell you right now, O'Reilly's dropped the ball twice on this. I ordered them like a week and a half out. First set came in wrong. Second set came in wrong. So they're in there. It's pretty tight for the most part, but everything looked pretty good. So my friends and I, we had a lift, so that helped out a tremendous amount. I would highly recommend getting a lift, especially trying to get the getting a lift, especially installing the headers going up to the bottom of the car. That was pretty tight, and the car has no cats, no resonators, and straight pipe exhaust. So it is extremely loud. I've had it on there for about 3 weeks now. Well, about 2 weeks. The drone, there is drone. I mean, you have straight, no cats, no mufflers, no resonators. There's going to be drone. Go figure. I love it. I completely love it. It's what the car is there for. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people do like it. I've gotten compliments on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. I think it's what it's built for. So I'm extremely happy on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crank it up from a cold start, let you guys hear it from a cold start. I don't know how the audio is going to be on this GoPro. I do have the open case so that the microphone isn't shut off, so that's a good thing. So So what I really enjoy about them is the sound, obviously. I don't have it tuned yet, so it is running a little bit rich. You definitely can smell the no cats. You can definitely smell everything coming out of this car. If you let it idle and let it sit there, don't recommend let it sit in the garage for a long amount of time because it does stink up the garage, and I've already got fussed at by the wife. excess power headers, great purchase, great sound. Definitely can feel it from the butt dyno, feel a little bit more power, not much, but there is some power there, and it does turn heads, especially when you got it straight popped. Another tidbit, as you can tell, the tire stickers or permanent lettering, whatever you want to call it, is gone. It would never completely stick up to the tires. I was trying. I went back and back and back and kept doing it. The 1.5 inch stickers for that size tire, that tall tire, is extremely too big. You guys want to see what $120 looks like? That's what it looks like. That's literally $120 laying on the floor because I'm gonna take the blame. I ordered it. It ain't their fault, but I definitely would not recommend ever doing that. I might put some smaller ones back on. I prefer. I love it. I really do. But the big ones is just way too. The 1.5 inch was way too big, and I really enjoy what it looks like with them on there. I still got the NT555 permanent rubber. 4 of them. I don't know. I'm never going to use them. So if anybody wants them, I'll message me or just comment below or something, and I'll sell them like super cheap. Like put them in a bag and mail them out to you. But I'm never going to use them. I'll even throw in these Nitto stickers because I'm not using the 1.5 inch. So if anybody wants them, just message me because I'm never going to use them because it's just too big for these tires. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, like the video. Like there's more videos coming, and I apologize for the delay, but we will definitely get some more big installs happening. I plan on a lot of things for this car this year, but for the next few months it's going to be events and vlogs hopefully, and not so much installs because of HDTV. So blame them. Alright guys, thanks for watching.